Salungat sa kaalaman ng karamihan, hindi lamang camping ang aktibidad na ginagawa ng isang scout. Sa isinagawang National Youth Scout Forum kamakailan sa Lingayen, Pangasinan, ipinamalas ng mga kabataan ang diwa ng pagiging scout hindi sa mga pisikal na aktibidad kundi sa pamamagitan ng paglinang ng kakayahan ng mga ito sa pamumuno.
This is the other side of the scouting activity. Because meron tayong policy-making body sa Boy Scouts of the Philippines that starts sa level ng council or ng province, ng city, papunta sa regional, even sa national. This National Scout Youth Forum, this gathers all of the council scout representatives ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines, ng lahat ng council all over Luzon. So each region, they are asked to send 6 representatives, 6 delegates only to the National Youth Forum.
Dinaluhan ang naturang forum ng mga regional at council scout representative na nagmula sa Ilocos, Northeastern Luzon, Central Luzon, National Capital Region, Southern Tagalog at Bicol Region.
Tuturan po namin dito ay yung pagiging makadiyos, makatao, kalikasan ng bansa. So meron po kami mga activities na ginagawa upang ma-develop po yun.
This is their opportunity where they could bring up matters about policies that directly affect them, na concerned sila kung may gusto pa silang baguhin or gusto nilang i-propose na amendments, policy amendments, ibang mga programa ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Kasi after all, ito kasi mga bata, sila yung directly affected sa program na ginagawa ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines na binibigay ni BSP. So ako malamang na i-gather natin sila lahat.
Maliban sa iba't ibang aktibidad, itinalaga rin sa forum ang Regional Scout Representative ng buong Luzon na siyang magsisilbing boses ng rehiyon sa National Executive Board ng Boy Scout of the Philippines. Binigyang diin naman ni Wendell Avisado, Acting Secretary General ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines, ang mission and vision ng Scouting.
This forum is not just about the practice of parliamentary procedures. This forum is above all talks about scouting, about brotherhood. This forum may have a little political exercise.
Dagdag pa niya, inaasahan niyang isasabuhay at itataguyod ng mga ito ang kahalagahan ng scouting bilang boses ng karamihan ng batang scout.
Then, there will be 3 voices ringing in the halls of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines to bring to the fore the dreams and aspirations of our young people in the world of scouting. They will expound your dreams and argue with the adult leaders, not for their sake, but for your sake.
Romel Cabada, Pangasinan Watch.